chest. Hold up, let me be honest. I know I'm sorry, put the perks in my chronic. You see till my eyes roll back like the oldest. Just another funeral. Guys, today I hope you guys like my intro. It's not the best. I just made it randomly. I'm not good at, making intros, like anything like that. I'm not really good at that. Well, I hope you liked it. It's not the best. I'm sorry. I suck at intros. But today I've never done an intro. Today, I'm gonna be playing more Flood Escape. I guess there's a new map, so I want to test it out. Let's go. Hey. Still good. Let's just not talk about that, and let's just go to the pro server, okay? Let's not talk about that. I'm sorry. I'm totally so good, right, guys? I'm the best, okay? Somehow. Whoa! What is that? Hey, what? Crazy! Wait, what the? They changed Blue Moon? No. Let's go. I'm the best. And you guys know it. Guys, I'm the best, right? You know I'm the best. What happened to the good thing? I don't know what I'm doing, but okay, I'm being annoying, guys. This stuff, I suck. I can't spectate anymore. Bro, play this game. I haven't played in a while. I need to start playing this game. I have no idea. The only thing that just got in my head is just that intro. I don't know. It's something with this song. It's pretty good. Bro, I barely started this video, and this girl's already adding me. What the heck? I have to add her back, I guess. I'm about to hit like 200 friends. Guys, hurry up. You guys can add me. I might have to delete some that don't play Roblox anymore, because basically almost all my friends, some of my friends don't. But where's the other one? There was a different one. I guess there's not that one today. Yeah. I had to delete some friends. Seriously, I died again. How did I get 9 more? Oh yeah, I had 9. So yeah, I have to delete some of my friends, almost all my friends, because some of them don't even play Roblox anymore, because those are the old friends from like 3 years ago, because I started like Roblox, I think 4 years ago. Well, this account is 3 years, but I basically started, I think 5 years ago playing this game. It's just I created this account because I don't know, I just wanted a better account, I think, and I just keep this account till now. It's so weird. No, actually 5 years. No, I played this game 6 years. Bro, I have no idea. I have been playing this game when I was little, and I've been playing this game a lot. You know what? There's nothing better than this game. If I say that when I'm older, yeah, because if I say that when I'm older, I still like Roblox the most. Even when I'm 50 years old. No. Blue Moon again? What the heck? We're just so obsessed with Blue Moon. Every time they want Blue Moon or something like that. Oh my god, Angels, you're the best. You're the best. Why am I so trash? Yeah, boost. Boost, seriously, boost. Please start winning. I haven't even played this game. Whoa! I suck. I seriously suck right now, bro. I'm trash. I'm literally trash. I'm literally trash, my god. Oh, I like how they fixed this. This used to be like getting annoying. It's like the other side. They now fixed it. They took, what the heck? I used to have like 600 and something coins, but I spent it on a, you know, like the boost in city. I mean, not boost, I mean like the, you know how I got this one? It was like 600 Robux. They finally made it like that time, but I used all my coins on that stupid all maps access, because that was annoying. I always wanted a map just for free. Just for free. Only one. But you have to pay more if you want to go again. Spend some of your coins on that. Seriously, I suck. That's why. I have no coins. My goal is trying to get like 1,000 by the end. I was so close. Now I have to start again. We got 141. Not too bad. You know what, guys? I need to start playing the game again. You need to feel you made it more longer. It used to be halfway right here. That's it. Now it's all the way over here. I made it like an extra one. Guys, you guys enjoy your spring break? It's spring break, bro. It's April Fool's Day. And I'm done pranking people until next year. You never know what's happening. Nope. Pranking people is not good. I know you guys are not gonna fall next year, or would you? Or would you? Oh my god, I'm fish. Wee! Hey. Oh. Boat map. What? What happened to the other new map? It just disappeared. Okay. It looks like a crazy. Did you guys not see? I really need a win. And I'm gonna go slow. Or would I go slow because I'm going fast? You heard me. I literally suck. Well, I'm going back to the normal. I need to go back. I want to win at least one At least one ramp. Spectate. What the heck? I said spectate. Hurry up! Hurry up! Giddy up! Hurry up! My saucy sauce. Oh my god, I'm destroying everything. Not too hard. I haven't played this game in 5 years. 5 years. I'm just kidding. Like 3 months. I used to actually, yeah, 3 months ago. I think 3 months ago I played this game, or 2 months ago. But like 7 or 8 months ago, I used to be a god at this game. Crap. I used to be like amazed. I stopped playing for a while because I've been playing the game a while. Not like move on. I still want to play this game, but I'm trying to. I'm a Dragon 5 my whole life. God, I basically ruined everyone's career. No, not Korea. What the heck am I saying? Bro, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. I haven't played this game in 5 years. Or, 2 months. I haven't played this game in 5 years. No, I'm just kidding. The time I'll probably already be playing the game. What the heck? I'm sick and tired of this game. Well, next time I'm playing this game, I'm still VIP. What the heck? Next time, I'll come back to this game. Probably tomorrow. No spring break, so see you guys on the next one. Peace out. I'll try to do this again. Peace out. And I don't know what can You know what? I'm gonna put like I don't know what to do with the end intro. The end. Okay. See ya, guys.